Hello friends, and welcome to this tutorial on how to create self-defined shortcuts in Mark software. Firstly, let us understand what is self-defined shortcuts and why is it needed. As you know that while generating accounts vouchers or while generating narration vouchers, many times narrations have to be defined. Like for example, when we pay cash to someone, then the narration being cash paid against this expense or being cash paid has to be mentioned every time. And similarly, when you generate receipt voucher or payment voucher, so in every type of accounting entry, narration is required. In Mark software, predefined narration option is available, for which if you go on Masters, Mark Setups, then here you will see narration color and sound. So through this option you can generate predefined narrations. But there is a limit to these narrations over here. As you can see, there are only 8 fields over here to predefine a narration. So if you use multiple of narration and one narration is used multiple times, so in that case you have to type the same narration again and again, because of which a lot of time is wasted. But through self-defined option in Mark, you can create multiple narrations for accounting vouchers and inventory vouchers. For that, if you go on Masters, Mark Setups, then here you will see self-defined shortcuts. So here you see accounting shortcuts and inventory shortcuts. And along with this, you can also modify these if you want. So firstly, let's see accounting shortcuts. As soon as you enter, then you will see the window of accounting shortcuts will appear. Now we will type a narration here as example, like being cash paid for office expenses. So here you see this narration is a narration which is used very commonly. Then to save this shortcut narration, press enter. We'll create one more narration, like being cash paid for freight expenses. Then press enter. Then press escape. Now let's create an accounting voucher, for which we will go on accounts, voucher entry, and enter on payment. For example, we'll take here office expenses. Then define amount over here. We'll select cash on the credit side, and then we will switch down to narration. Now to load the narration that we created in accounting shortcuts, you will press the Alt plus M key. So here in this drop down, you see all those narrations which we just created. Now simply you will enter on the narration you want to select, like being paid for office expenses. Now you will press enter and save this narration. So in this way we learned accounting shortcuts. Now let's see inventory shortcuts. Inventory shortcuts can be used for medicine businesses, where there are certain medicines which are to be taken only with hot water, or some medicines are supposed to be taken only with milk, or some medicines are to be taken within the stipulated time. So you can create any type of remark like such from inventory shortcuts. Now suppose we'll define here take medicine with hot water only. Similarly, we can create one more remark like take medicine with milk. Now press enter. Now we'll create an accounting voucher like sale bill. Select the data. Select any item to load in the bill. Define quantity to be sold. Then come down on this blank space. Then press escape and then press the tilde key. Then as soon as we press the tilde key, then the message window will appear. To load the defined inventory shortcuts over here, you will press the Alt plus M key. And here these are the two inventory shortcuts that we created. For now we'll select take medicine with hot water enter. Then there's another field, message on bill. Here you can define any message if you want, like thanks for visiting. So you can create a shortcut as such from inventory shortcuts. Then enter and save this bill. So in this way you can create accounting shortcuts and inventory shortcuts. Now let's see how can we modify or delete these shortcuts. For that you'll go on masters. So here you see modify accounting shortcuts and modify inventory shortcuts. Now we'll enter on modify accounting shortcuts. Select the remark you want to modify, enter, and then from here you can modify this remark. Now to delete a remark, you'll go on modify accounting shortcuts. Select the remark you want to delete, enter, then press the delete button or backspace button, and then press the home key. Press escape. Again, if we go on modify accounting shortcuts, then you'll see that remark has been deleted. So friends, in this way we learned how to create self-defined shortcuts in Mark software. Thanks for watching.
Further, for any queries, you can call on a landline number which is 011 309 69600, or you can also chat on a website which is www.markcompusoft.com. You can also SMS us on 56767. If you want to learn any feature of Mark software in detail, then you can view or download a video tutorial from our website, that is www.tutorial.markcompusoft.com.
क्या आप अकाउंट्स में बिजी रहते हैं? क्या आपके स्टॉक्स टैली नहीं होते?
Yes.
क्या आप वैट रिटर्न से परेशान हैं?
Yes.
ये लीजिए मार्क ट्रेड स्पेशलाइज्ड इन्वेंटरी एंड अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर विद ऑन साइट सपोर्ट एंड कस्टमाइजेशन, ताकि आपका ध्यान बिजनेस में रहे, अकाउंटिंग में नहीं।